Well, it's May 1st. Guess what came in? Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life in today's video. Like I said in the intro, today is May 1st, and they've got real good at getting this here pretty much on the first day of the month anymore. But I've got my curated bead box, so let's go ahead and open it up. And I mean, obviously we can kind of see what we got, but let's just do, I guess you could say a deep dive. But first, guess what, you all? I've got new merch in my merch store. I'll have the link in the description box below where you can go. And right here's my store. I made a new one. The shirt says "Created to Create," and I love that saying for many reasons. But I made several different color combinations. But if there is a color combination you would like to see, you know, just tell me the color of the shirt and the color of the font that you would like, and I'll make it and let you know. You can always email me at mycrazycreativelife2023@gmail.com to reach out to me, or you can, any video, leave me a comment in the comment section. So if there's anything you would like. But that is my newest merch, Created to Create. There is my old merch, which it's just my logo. I mean, I don't know, people may or may not want the logo, but it's there if anybody's interested. So go check out my merch store, and hopefully you like my new shirt, Created to Create. And thank you. Okay. There's a quick peek. Well, I guess since this is May, they're getting us ready for beach jewelry, beachy time, beach wear, whatever. So this is Costal Coral. Alrighty. The first one is 12 millimeter rusty gray duo style glass bead. That must be this one. Is that rusty or rust? Oh, rust gray. And it was on a 6-inch string. I forgot to say that. Those are pretty. Next, we have 10 millimeter orange marble style glass bead. Now, okay, maybe it is that one. So orange, here we go again. Orange marble style glass bead. I hope that's the right one. Then we have 10 millimeter black brown duo style glass bead, and it's on a 8-inch string. So is that one. Next we have 10 millimeter white semi-matte glass bead, and that's this one. I like that, it's pretty. Then finally we have 10 millimeter brown and crackle frosted glass bead, and that was that one I kind of got confused with because doesn't it look kind of orange? But oh well. Alright, that is all of the 10 millimeters. So next we have 8 millimeter ivory gemstone style glass bead. I believe that's this one. makes me think of. There's something that it's reminding me of, but let me pull you out some. I've got you a little bit too close, I think. There's something that it's like, looks like something. Well, shoot. It's like on the tip, you know, it's wanting to come forward, but it can't. I don't know if it's some kind of candy or something it reminds me of. Next is 8mm Latte Jade style glass bead. And this is on a 10-inch string. And this is on a 16-inch string. Yeah, that's right. Then we have 18 to 22mm puka shell beads, approximately 18 beads. So here's just some little puka shells. Then next we have 6mm synthetic coral gemstone cube beads, approximately 18. So that must be these. Those are different. Then we have 10mm cracked agate gemstone bead. I believe that's these. How many does it say? 7. Benji. Those are pretty. Next we have approximately 1 ounce of copper sparkle designer beads. Oh, April, throw it everywhere. Those are pretty. They definitely sparkle. Then we have 18mm starfish silver metal charm. There's 3 charms. So I guess you could make a necklace and pair of earrings if you wanted to. There they are. Those are pretty. And the last thing we have is 50 by 44mm starfish bronze metal pendant. So I guess we're doing mixed metal for this kit. And there's the big starfish. Alright, with Curated Bead Box, they always send us a findings starter kit, which is like Jumprings. There's your elastic string, lobster clasp, Earwires. There's some crimp tubes, just head pins. There's some beading wire, and that is memory wire. So they always like to send that to kind of give, I guess, their customers something to, as long as you got tools, then you can go ahead and get started on jewelry making. So anyway, that is it. Curated Bead Box, if you don't know anything about them, they are a bead box company, and you subscribe through them. And what they do, like any other bead box company, they curate, well, they come up with a theme for that month, and then they curate beads to kind of match the theme for that particular month, and then they sell it to you at a bargain price. And this is the best way to build up your stash. I mean, especially for newcomers, but really anybody. These are good ways to really build up your stash and make some pretty jewelry. because they match, you know, they're curated to match. So it's really a win-win. But anyway, Curated Bead Box, I will have the link in the description box below. And it's roughly about $20 a month. It's for shipping, handling, you know, everything, taxes, all. And if this is your very first time of ever subscribing to them, then you can put in my code, which is April35, and you'll receive 35% off of your very first order. And I think it brings it roughly 16, 17 bucks, something like that. So anyway, if you were interested in getting started in bead making or whatever, or if you've never been with this company before and want to try them out, then I encourage you to go to that link and go check them out and see what you think. I've been well pleased. So, and I've been with them for almost 2 years, or maybe it has been 2 years by now. But anyway, that is it. This is May 2026 Curated Bead Box Coastal Coral. So I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your night, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.